how can I help?
I've just seen a quad bike go past with no number plate on, but it also looks like a quad bike that I saw reported stolen on, you know, a Facebook buy swap sell site yesterday or the day before.
Right, what area please?
Worsley Mains in Wigan.
Worsley Mains.
They're going around giving each other piggybacks and, well, if there's no number plate on it, I know it's not going to be road legal because I'm a biker and...
Okay. Oh, what colour quad bike is it?
It's black with silver wheels, and I think it's got black painted inserts on the wheels as well.
So it was reported stolen recently, was it?
No, it looks very similar to one that I saw on a Facebook group saying it had been reported stolen. So I just thought I'd ring you to see if, I don't know, maybe send a patrol car around or something. I just don't see many of these about, you know what I mean? It is quite unusual looking. You'll probably
How long ago did you see it?
I'm actually following it if you want to know the truth.
I don't mind following it, just so you don't get in any danger.
It was only so I could get a proper look, see if it did have a number plate.
Okay.
The quad bike's actually blue with black wheel arches.
Blue and black, yeah? No silver on it?
Just on the wheels, you know, the alloy.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
Alright.
And the guy who's just about to drive away is bald as well. He's got hair around the sides and the back, but he's got a bald top on his head. I can't see him carrying insurance, right?
Okay, right, brilliant. I'll send it through to the officers so they can make inquiries on that.
Alright, thank you.
Brilliant, thank you very much for reporting it.
Okay, cheers, bye love.
Bye now.
Take a look at the last video where I reviewed Vantru's N1 dashcam. Now Vantru has kindly gave Dashcam Network viewers a promo code to use where they get £15 off the purchase price. You can use the promo code up until midnight on the 15th of August. You can find the promo code in the description box. Thank you for watching.